Hey guys, you always know I come through with the preview of the final look. So if you want to know how I got this cute hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to get right into this video. I'm taking my Tresemme Heat Tamer spray and I'm spraying it all over the hair. It acts as a heat protectant, of course. And before I start, I just want to give a shout out to Ishow Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. They sent me 3 bundles of 24 inches and a 20-inch 4x4 closure. Also, I'm going to be spraying this argan oil on my hair again. It's another type of heat protectant, but this one is oil based. The Tresemme heat protectant was water based, just to get the hair a little wet. Yeah, but yeah, Ishow Hair send me these bundles in a closure, and I just made a wig of the hair. I usually always do that when I receive hair from a company. I make it into a wig because I just love my wigs. And I'm using this Care wax stick, of course, to get the hair super straight on the closure, because I don't like when closures are bumpy. So this edge tamer, whatever you want to call it, I forgot, wax stick. Yeah, this wax stick helps to control that bumpiness, to make sure that everything is flat and good to go. So now I'm just gonna straighten the hair. Everybody always asks me what straightener I use, and I always say the Baby Bliss straightener. I don't know how else I'm gonna explain that. But if you watch the video, you'll know I use the Baby Bliss straightener. And the hot comb that I used in a previous clip was from Andy's. It's the Andy's hot comb, and I got that from Amazon, and I got this Baby Bliss straightener from eBay. So if you just Google it, I'm pretty sure you'll find it on the internet somewhere. So right here, I wanted to like map out where I wanted to cut the bang. So I kind of like pre-cut the bang before I put it on my actual head, because I just wanted to make sure like I wasn't cutting too much hair, or I wasn't cutting enough hair. So I cut some of the bang. I just twisted it and I cut it. As you can see, I'm twisting it and I'm cutting it downwards. That's how you want to cut your bang. But this is long. This is not how it's gonna look. But anyways, if you want to know how I made a wig, I'm gonna show you a clip of one of my other videos on my channel of how I make closure wigs. So make sure you click the link. I think it's gonna be at the top of this video, like in the information thing that's gonna pop up. So make sure after this video, or even right now, you could go over there and watch how I make my closure wigs, and then you could come back to this video, or you could just watch this entire video and then go check that out. Yeah, but make sure you're supporting me, so make sure you go watch that other video if you're interested on how to make a closure wig. So all my wigs are made on a sewing machine. I no longer hand stitch my wigs, and ever since I started making my wigs on the sewing machine, they've been so much sturdier and so much better. As you can see, the quality is amazing. So now we're gonna get right back into the video. This part, I was just putting the wig on, making sure that it fit my head properly, and it did, of course, because I made it for myself. But yeah, so I'm just combing through the hair, making sure that everything is straight. And now I'm just gonna section off the part where I want my bang to be. So like I said, when it comes to cutting my bang, I just twist the hair, and then I take my scissors and I cut downwards, because that creates like a tapered effect. I really don't like that straight across bang, because I don't think that looks natural. I just think that looks childish, but hey, to each his own. But yeah, I just cut downwards, and as you can see, like I want my bang to like shape my face. So I also made sure like to cut hair, like I don't know how to explain it, but like cut hair around my face. As you can see, like I'm trimming the hair like around my face, because I want the bang to shape my face. I don't want the bang to look like this. in its entirety. I don't want like the bang to just cover my eyes and then like straight hair going straight down. I want it to be like a layered effect type of bang, because I want it to look as natural as possible, because everybody knows it's a wig, but I don't want it to look like a wig, you know? So I'm just trimming the hair around my face, and then I'm gonna go back and like try to make the bang a little bit shorter, because at this point it was way too long. So I twisted the bang and then I just cut downwards like I mentioned previously, and I think this length was good. So now I'm just gonna like, I don't know how to explain this part, but I'm just cutting diagonally. Is this diagonal? Yeah, I think this diagonal. Yeah, I'm cutting, no, vertically. I'm cutting vertically because I want the bottom of the bangs to be a little tapered. I don't want it to be straight across like I said before. This part was like the hardest part, because I was like scared to keep cutting up because I didn't want it to be super short. And on top of that, like the little hairs just kept getting in my face and on my lips, and I had makeup on and it was just so uncomfortable. But yeah, at this point I wanted to see how the cut was looking, so I went ahead and bumped the ends of the bang. And that's when I realized like I had to cut some more on the side. And then I just kept cutting up vertically to thin out the ends of the bang, because like I said, I wanted it to be natural, and the hair just kept getting on my lip. Like I was frustrated at this point. So I had cut the camera and like went to go get my makeup brush to like brush off the hair that was all over my lip. It was a lot. But yeah, tip, don't cut your bang with lip gloss on. Just cut your bang with some ashy lips, then you can put your lip gloss on after. But yeah, I just continued to cut vertically around my face as well, because I wanted to thin out the ends of the hair. I didn't want it to be super thick. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. That's pretty much it. So I think at this point, like, this is how I wanted my bang to look. So I left the bang alone and I just kept framing my face to make sure that the hair looked perfect around my face. So specs on this hair, when I received the hair, I loved how it didn't have a corn chip smell. I hate when hair smells like factory. The hair was also very soft, and I've been wearing it for a week now and it's still really soft. And this hair requires little to no product. As you can see, I only sprayed like the oil on it for like the heat protectant or whatever, and the hair is still very much lustrous, like it has its own shine. And also I didn't experience any tingling as of yet. Hopefully this hair doesn't tingle. I don't think it will. And shipping was great. Like, it didn't take longer than a week. So like I mentioned before, this hair is from Ishowbeauty. I will link the information for this hair in my description box down below. So if you want to purchase this hair, make sure you click that link and buy you this nice hair. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment down below how you think I did, if you want to see more tutorials on different styles, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share to your friends. Bye guys, see you in the next one.